Today, many people have lost interest in religion. They are no more interested in religion things. How the interest for religion can be brought back in people?
Why didn't you speak in Arabic?
Okay.
The question needs not to be translated into English now, because you have done it yourself. You see, the lack of interest in religion has to be analyzed. Why are not people interested in religion? Because religion prevents them from doing whatever they like. That's the only reason. Which means that their belief in God is just hollow. Religion is not because they believe in God, but because it's a popular tradition to have a religion. And they do not want to defy the will of the custodians of religion, the clerics, the priests, etc. So they keep their religion in a low tone. As long as it does not interfere with their daily life, they accept it. But they're not interested in it, because whenever the requirements of religion are different from their own personal requirements, they do not care for the requirements of religion. That means that they are materialistic. So the world has become materialistic. The religion is only a cover, a veil over their faces. So that is the main reason why the world today is not interested in religion in that sense. Apparently they are interested. All the Muslim world, they speak highly of religion. So they seem to be interested, but only apparently. You understand the point? Yes, please. But your question remains as yet unanswered, because what you asked was, how can we make them interested in religion? My analysis, which I have just made, leads to the answer of this question. We can only make them interested in religion if we can make them believe in the reality of God. There's no other way. Once we can prove the existence of God to them in a manner that He becomes real, then they have to become interested in religion, and that religion will be true religion, because it will be related to God, not to the mullahs. Right?